Heel, jij ook. Jij hebt ook echt gewoon...
Jij bent ook helemaal onder, hè?
Ja, ik wou zeggen.
Hey guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. I'm with my girl.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
And my man... my man Laziz. And we are in Rotterdam. We're just gonna walk around a bit, do some shopping, taking hundreds of pictures.
I'm just joking with you.
So now we're at the famous wall from Rotterdam. The thing is, they repaint this thing once every, I don't know, to be honest. It used to be all pink, then it was super colorful, and now it's red, white with some quotes on it.
Look into the hole.
Train. Took pictures here. And actually we do not like the wall. Goodbye. I'm trying on this sweater, truth untold, me. And actually I like it.
Yeah, I like it too, very much. I like the color on you. Oh yeah, knoppen.
Did you try on?
No, I'm coming.
Okay, I tried it on and I want to buy it.
Me too.
Okay.
Lisa, you find something else?
No, I'm just looking around and I'm helping her.
Complete with pay.
Look out, people are coming.
Oh, and we bought stuff. Laziz, he bought a lot actually. Okay, but now let's go to Bershka and buy stuff.
Now I will buy a lot, right?
Yeah, my turn.
Ja.
Mag ik 2 gewone oliebollen alsjeblieft met een crème
Keiveel poedersuiker. Volgens mij kom jij uit Brabant, of niet?
Ja, we zijn in Rotterdam hoor.
Ja, Brabantser kan dat niet.
Okay, it's hot. It's not hot, you can just eat it.
Zit er helemaal in, hè?
Really?
It's nice.
Wait. Ik wil hem eigenlijk schoon kloppen, maar... Gaat het wel zien? Heel, jij ook. Jij hebt ook echt gewoon...
Jij zit er ook helemaal onder, hè?
Ja, ik wou zeggen. Ja,
Wat weet je ervan als je veel kubushuizen wilt hebben?
Oh, lekker ook.
So we're on our way to the cube house. We're gonna take a few pictures. We have about an hour and a half until it starts to get dark. So we need to hurry up because we also want to eat pizza at Happy Italy. But we have dinner plans with another friend of mine. It's unlimited sushi, so we don't want to be too full before we get started on the sushi. So yeah. Here are the cube houses. Zoveel mensen.
Ja, daar was het wel op.
Maar ik denk dat het een toeristengroep is. Dus die reizen samen niet.
Toen ik er een keer was er echt bijna niemand.
Ja, toen ik er was hier ook niemand.
Markthal. We have to follow Pei. I don't know where to go.
Rekenen met van
She's
Yeah.
thinking about something. She was like staying at one place.
By the way, I love this bag with little Ryan. Ooh, oh, shake it. Okay, we're gonna have a quick bite at the Happy Italy, and then I'm just gonna share a pizza with my man. Woo. Okay, we got what I don't know what happened to my settings, but it's super dark. So we have a pizza here that Laziz and I are sharing: chicken, mushrooms, onion, bell pepper. My girl, whoa, I cannot even see her. I don't know, I did something with my settings.
I'm white.
It's the prosciutto one, I love it, it's my favorite. And Peetje has calzone. So everyone is enjoying the pizza. It's nice, schat.
Lekker.
We're in markthal. Such a beautiful ceiling. And all little shops. And somewhere my friends are. We are now at the koopgoot and we're gonna film a video. Laziz, my boyfriend's gonna pick my outfit. We're gonna go to the H&M to film it. And this looks so nice here. First I'm gonna give you a little shot. Then we're gonna film and then you'll see that video way later. so cute. The koopgoot looks amazing. Probably he's taking pictures. I love him. Taking pictures, schat?
Yep.
God, this looks so pretty. It's the central station of Rotterdam. We're at Sumo for sushi together with our lovely friend Noelle.
Hello.
She's both of our friends, which is super cool.
I will come to Korea soon, so.
Yes! We were just inside Sumo and we asked for 1 liter of water, a bottle of water. They're like, oh, sorry, we don't have any water anymore because, well, we forgot to order.
It's the other way.
Oh, they literally said they forgot to order because it was so crowded the past few days. And we're like, okay, so can we get tap water? Like, no, you only get tap water if you buy alcohol. But we don't want alcohol. So then while we're sitting there, we're making reservations with another sushi place. And now we're going
We
there.
need to go there.
Okay. I've arrived at the Shabu Shabu. It's my man's first time eating sushi. We have here the tablets, 4 items per person per round. Noelle's checking the menu. This is kind of round number 4, 3, 4. We're all getting tired. Everyone's on their phone. I love myself some salmon. Salmon, salmon, salmon. No, schat, don't take my salmon. Everyone is full.
No, I don't want it.
And we all have this.
I don't want it, I'm full. Oh, I'll take that one.
Oh my god. It is time to go home. We're so full and it's so late. Once we're back home, it's gonna be so late. So we're in the train, last one. It's 12:05 something. We're ending the vlog. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe. Bye.